5 days, 5 live workshops. This is the Sellathon free mini course challenge. In day one, I'm going to be sharing with you where to focus in your handmade business for maximum 1K clout. I'm also going to be sharing with you how to customize your 1K plan and identify your top money makers. Day two, we are going to be talking about how to plan out how your 1K is actually going to go. So I'm going to be sharing with you how to create your repeatable 1K business plan, how to curate your brand hungry tribe, and how to inject views into your business on demands. Day three, I'm going to be teaching you how to make your business magnetic, which is going to be talking about the 3 focuses that you need to have on each and every one of your listings. Day four, I'm going to be teaching you how to create your 1K funnel, and we're going to be digging down so you're not wasting time, effort, and energy. I'm also going to be teaching you how to sort through all of the masses of data so that you can find your hidden X factor and to audit your marketing just in time for the 1K week. Day 5 is the big kahuna, and this is where I'm going to be breaking down how to effortlessly market your stuff online. I'm going to be teaching you exactly what posts and when you need to post in order to get your 1K in 1 week, how to understand what your next steps are, and to craft your products, your posts, and your promotions in the right way. So if that sounds good to you, boss, I would love to see you in the Sellathon challenge starting on the 16th of September. If you comment the word Sellathon below this, I will send you the link so that you can join this free challenge starting the 16th of September.